My absolute favorite meal of the day is brunch. Has always been my favorite ever since I've been little. I can remember being a little girl, my parents would always take us to brunch on Christmas Day. So I'm recreating some fun holiday memories for me as a child. Okay, so always have a beautiful menu. My dad used to own a restaurant, and so either we were going to eat at his restaurant or we were going to wherever he was working, and they always had the most beautiful menu. And I always like to keep my menu super simple and clean. It's just, my dad taught me that. He is a chef. He said, always keep things super clean so it's easy for people to read and enjoy. Next, I always talk about layering it up. We have the most beautiful tablecloth. This is actually an artist, Kat McCall, who created this. And I like to always have a charger. Bordello plates. I love green. Green is one of my absolute favorite colors. And then we layered with a beautiful Vietri plate. And then gorgeous napkins. Y'all, these are from Ballard's. Such a great deal. I think they're on sale right now too. Tied with a beautiful red ribbon. And then always, always send your guest home with a happy. Y'all found these on Amazon. Filled them up with gorgeous chocolate balls. Absolutely easy. Make sure you always send your guest home with a happy. And last but not least, make the centerpiece easy. These are candlesticks that I've collected for years. I've had them for a very long time. They are timeless. And then in the center is a gorgeous Simon Pierce Christmas tree that you can buy from my friend Natalie of Smith's of Dublin. And then these are also from Ballard's. This is a gorgeous basket weave container. Simply plop and drop a beautiful 4-inch poinsettia in there, and then you are ready to entertain for the holidays. This did not take long to set up. Oh, I forgot to talk about this real quick. Always, always have beautiful silverware. This is from Bunny Williams from Ballard's. This is a gorgeous tortoiseshell. We use this all the time. And last but not least, for your guests that always are like fidgeting or always wanting to nibble on something, always have a little something on there for them, like crystallized ginger or nuts for them to snack on. So I hope y'all all have a fabulous Christmas. Those are just some of my few favorite things that I like to do when I'm setting up for my friends and family for the holidays.